February is a time to celebrate love, not just love for others, but also love for ourselves in the face of challenges. Over the past 2 months, life has tested us in a way we never expected, reminding us that true love isn't just about joy, it's about resilience, healing, and staying true to ourselves even in difficult times. But how do we practice love when life feels heavy? Grace, gratitude, respect, accountability, courage, and engagement provides a powerful foundation for self-love and inner strength. Gratitude, finding light in darkness. Even in our struggles, there are small moments of grace, a kind word, a warm hug, the unwavering support of loved ones. Gratitude helps us shift our focus from pain to possibility. When we practice gratitude, we acknowledge not just what we have, but also the love that surrounds us, even in difficult times. Practice. Start each day by writing down 3 things you are grateful for, no matter how small. Even in adversity, love still exists in the kindness of a stranger, the beauty of a sunrise, or the simple gift of another day. Respect, honoring our own journey. Love begins with self respect, recognizing that our struggles do not define us. We are worthy of love even when we feel broken. Respecting ourselves means setting boundaries, giving ourselves permission to rest, and allowing healing to take time. Practice. Instead of being critical of yourself for feeling overwhelmed, speak to yourself as you would to a dear friend. Replace self doubt with words of encouragement. I'm doing my best, and that is enough. Accountability, embracing growth with compassion. When facing difficulties, it's easy to feel powerless. Accountability is not about blaming ourselves, it is about owning our choices and choosing growth over defeat. Practicing love means recognizing our struggles and actively taking steps to move forward. Practice. Reflect one small action you can take today to nurture yourself. Whether it's eating a nourishing food, seeking support, or taking a break. Hold yourself accountable for self care just as you would for any commitment to a loved ones. Courage, choosing love over fear. Fear often keeps us stuck. Fear of failure, rejection, or fear of uncertainty. But love, when grounded in courage, allows us to step forward even when the path is unclear. It takes courage to ask for help, to forgive, and to trust that better days are ahead. Practice. Identify one fear that's holding you back and taking one step to face it. Courage is not the absence of fear, it is acting through it. Engagement, sharing love with the world. Even when you are struggling, engaging with others in meaningful ways can uplift us. Love multiplies when shared through a kind gesture, a listening ear, or simply showing up. When we practice engagement, we remind ourselves that we are not alone. Practice. Reach out to someone today, send a thoughtful message, express appreciation, or offering support. Love grows when we give it freely. A final reflection. Love is strength. Love is more than a fleeting emotion. It is a commitment to grace, resilience, and self-compassion. As we journey through this month, let's remind ourselves to love ourselves even when we feel unlovable, to honor our struggles as part of our growth, to choose grace over self judgment and courage over fear. This February, let's embrace love through grace for ourselves, for others, and for the world.